Hi, welcome to Learn with Anjali. So today I'll be talking about stats, and in this video you will learn how to calculate arithmetic mean in case inclusive series is given. Although in some of the books and in some of the places you will find that you have an option to calculate the arithmetic mean directly using the inclusive series, but I will show you how to convert the inclusive series into exclusive series, and then we will find out arithmetic mean. Okay, let's start. So how do you find the interval gap, and how do you analyze whether the question is given in the form of inclusive series or what? See, in my first class interval, they have written 20 to 29. And in the second class interval, they have written 30 to 39. Generally, what we have studied is that class intervals are normally ranging like this, wherein the value of the upper limit is the lower limit of the next class interval. वो दूसरे class interval की lower limit हो जाती है. But इस case में देखो 29 stopped here. Then the new number 30 emerged here, which means that this is an inclusive series. We are supposed to convert it into exclusive series. ये exclusive होती है. That's what we want. ये inclusive है. ठीक है? So अब इसका step क्या है? This is very easy one. What you do is you have to follow simple steps. See, upper limit of the first class interval and lower limit of the second class interval. उस पहले क्लास इंटरवल की अपर लिमिट है 29, दूसरे क्लास इंटरवल की लोअर लिमिट है 30. तो गैप कितना है? गैप फाइंड करो. 30 minus 29, which is 1, divided by 2, which is 0.5. Okay, now what we will do is this 0.5 we will minus from lower limit and add in अपर लिमिट. दैट्स इट. जहां जहां आपको लोअर लिमिट दिख रही है, इस सब में से हाफ ऑफ माइनस कर दोगे, इन सब में हाफ ऑफ ऐड कर दोगे. सो मेरा क्लास इंटरवल इंप्रूव होके बेटर होके क्या बन जाएंगे? 20 में से अगर मैं हाफ माइनस करूंगी इट विल बिकम 19.5. 29 जो कि अपर लिमिट है उसमें मैं आधा ऐड कर दूंगी, 29.5. एक और इजी तरीका है, आप पहले से इसे माइनस कर लो उसके बाद कर लो. सो मैं पहले सारे माइनस करके रखती हूं. 30 में से आधा गया 29.5, 40 में से आधा गया 39.5, 50 में से हाफ गया 49.5, 60 में से हाफ गया 59.5. अब इन सब में आधा आधा ऐड कर लो, ये बन गया 39.5, ये 49 से it became 49.5, 59 से it became 59.5 and 69 से it became 69.5. Now this was my frequency. मेरे क्लास इंटरवल आ चुके हैं. What we have to do? I'm going to use direct method. You can use any method you want. So in case of direct method, what we do? Direct method के लिए we need to find midpoints. Midpoints from here. 19.5 से 29.5 10 का गैप है. 10 को आप जरा 2 से डिवाइड करो, midpoints निकालने हैं. So again it is what? Difference जो कि गैप होता है. Difference is like upper limit minus lower limit again divided by 2. ठीक है? इसमें हमने क्या किया था? गैप वही है divided by 2, बट गैप देखो कहां से लिया था? लोअर लिमिट दूसरे वाले की, अपर लिमिट पहले वाले की, ऐसे करके. ये याद रखना. ठीक है? फॉर्मूला याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग कि होता कैसे. यू कैन डायरेक्टली डू इट. देयर इज नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल रिगार्डिंग दैट. सो ये कितना आ गया? 24.5 आ गया ना, आधा मिड पॉइंट. इसका आ गया 34.5. बाकी तो आप इजीली प्रेडिक्ट कर ही सकते हो 10 से ऐड कर करके ना. 54.5 एंड 64.5. अब हम इसको फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ठीक है? सो 10 into 24.5 हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 245. देन माय f into n. So after finding the midpoints, see we stopped at 64.5, we will calculate the frequency multiplied by the midpoints. So if you multiply 24.5 into 10, you will get 245. If you multiply 34.5 into 8, you will get 276. If you multiply 6 into 44.5, you will get 267. If you multiply 4 into 54.5, you will get 218, and the last one is 64.5 into 2, you will get 129. Now what was the total of the frequency? ये भी कर लेते हैं. 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So this is my frequency. I need to find the total of summation FM also. That also we can quickly do. 129 plus 218 plus 267 plus 276 plus 245. So 1135. You will get 1135, and the arithmetic mean formula is summation Fn divided by summation F, which is 1135 divided by 30, and if you divide 1135 divided by 30, you will get 37.83. Of course, I could have spent time in multiplying the same, but you are supposed to do the calculation carefully, making sure that you do not commit any calculation error, otherwise your answer will be incorrect. So just a quick recap what we have done today. We have converted inclusive series into exclusive series. How did we do it? The lower limit of the next class interval and the upper limit of the first class interval, gap of the same divided by 2. Whatever you get, you got half. सारी lower limit में से half of minus कर लो, upper limit में half add कर दो. So that's what I did. Then arithmetic mean निकालना था, mid points निकाले. Mid points निकाल के मैंने frequency के साथ mid points को multiply किया and summation f निकाला और direct method का formula लगा लिया, which is summation fm upon summation f. Or when I place the value, my answer is 37.83. I'm writing here. So my arithmetic mean is coming out to be 37.83. So this was all about today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching Learn with Anjali. In case you want to ask any question related to stats or economics, you can comment in the comment box below. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.